Welcome. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to remove a reaction from a Facebook message on your PC. If you've ever accidentally reacted to a message, or simply want to remove a reaction, this is the video for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small Messenger icon. Click on this icon to open your messages. Next, find and click on the conversation that contains the message with the reaction you want to remove. Now, scroll through the chat to locate the message with the reaction. You'll see the emoji or reaction that was added right below the message. To remove the reaction, hover your mouse over the emoji or reaction. When you hover over it, you'll see the reaction options again. Simply click on the emoji that you reacted with, and it will be removed from the message. That's it. The reaction is now gone, and the message will no longer display the emoji. Removing a reaction is really simple, and you can do it anytime you change your mind or want to clear up an accidental reaction. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips on using Facebook and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.